In this video, I'll show you how to get many lists using Trello in N8n step by step. This is a quick and useful setup if you want to pull multiple Trello lists into your automation workflow without wasting time clicking around manually. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple N8n tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open the workflow you want inside N8n. This is the workflow where you want to add the Trello action, so make sure you're in the right project before you continue. Once your workflow is open, go to the Nodes panel. This is where you add new actions and services to your automation. In the search area, choose Trello. When the Trello node appears, click on it to add it to your workflow. Now, inside the Trello node settings, choose Get Many Lists. This is the option that lets you retrieve multiple lists from Trello at once, which is exactly what you need for pulling board data into your automation. After that, choose the credential you want. If you already have a Trello account connected, select the correct one from the dropdown. If not, connect the account you want to use first, then come back and select it here. Once the credential is selected, configure what you want. This means setting the specific options for the data you want to pull, such as the board or any other available parameters shown in the node. Double check your settings so the node is configured correctly for your workflow. And that's it. You've now set up Trello in N8n to get many lists. If this video helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.